Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on fixing downloading proxy script errors in Google Chrome browser on Windows 10. What is a proxy? In simple and easy words, a web proxy, also known as a proxy server, is a way to filter the connection between the internet and the computer or laptop. Web proxy or proxy server is used for security reasons. It protects private information and increases internal network performance. Fix: downloading proxy script error in Chrome on Windows 10. By default, the Google web browser is configured to use a proxy, but it will give you an error if it fails to locate a proxy script. So, to fix this error, open the Google Chrome browser and click on three vertical dots at the top right corner. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Chrome Settings page, click on the System option in the left sidebar. On the right, click on the Open Your Computer's Proxy Settings option. When you're done, Windows 10 Proxy Settings page will open up. Here, turn off the toggle switch that reads Automatically Detect Settings. That's it. Downloading proxy script error should be fixed on your Windows 11 PC. Let me know via comment if this video is helpful for you. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.